When I began creating content for my gardening YouTube channel, I quickly saw the benefit of having a stabilizing element in my recording process. For the most part, I rely on my iPhone 15 for all of my footage at this point in my journey. It does a phenomenal job and the video quality is top notch. But I needed a way to better stabilize my footage as I shared walking tours through my garden beds. I also needed a solution for recording selfie-style videos where I was able to record myself in the shot using the back-facing cameras. I purchased this DJI Osmo Mobile 6 because it checked all the boxes for my needs. The three things I love most about this gimbal, beyond the steady stabilization feature, is the AccuTrack object tracking, the extension rod, and the tripod base, all encompassed in a compact tool. The object tracking feature allows me to indicate my face or other object that I want the camera to keep in focus. It's such a handy feature that frees me up to move around without worrying that I'm moved out of frame or focus. Secondly, I love the extension rod that I can use to capture a wider angle of footage. Finally, I love the tripod that's included with this gimbal. It extends the functionality of the Osmo Mobile 6. It's easy to attach and detach the tripod from the grip. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, multifunctional handheld gimbal stabilizer, check out the DJI Osmo Mobile. I'm a big fan of the DJI brand and have purchased several of their products in the past. It comes in two colors and includes a smartphone clip, USB-C charging cord, grip tripod, and drawstring carrying pouch. I hope this overview was helpful. Thanks for watching.